Welcome to the Build a Bicycle Challenge, a team-building activity that blends fun, collaboration, and social impact. In today's corporate setup, making a difference and joy of giving stand tall as guiding pillar to humanity. This challenge drives teams to bond, collaborate, and spare the joy of giving. Get into teams and race against the clock to earn bicycle parts by tackling a series of hilarious and engaging challenges. The teams then dive into assembling the cycles, all while navigating the twists of competition and cooperation within the teams. But here's the heartwarming twist. Once the bikes are assembled, they're not just for show. A slow cycle race doubles the fun. Your team's hard work culminates in a surprise, as the fully functional bicycles are gifted to underprivileged children, creating unforgettable moments of joy and purpose. The Build a Bicycle Challenge isn't just about assembling bikes. It's about the joy of giving and team bonding through problem solving and collaboration.